was having technical difficulties on my live stream again. Hopefully I can get everybody to the right place. I'm gonna wait. Hello, hello, hello. It is, let's see, Monday, March. I have to look at my calendar, which is right behind me. March 18th, excuse me. 7 p.m. and we are going live here at Right Recipe for Travel. I was not prepared to go live this way, so pivot. I am going to wait just a little bit so everybody can find me. Let me turn this other one, hold on a second, turn this other one off. Yeah. I don't know. But hello, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me. Let me turn my sound up. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me, or let me know. I think it's good, but I had difficulty just a minute ago, so it might not be good. I don't know. Let me take a swig of, okay, thank you. I got a thumbs up, a Dr. Pepper. That always helps the situation. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So glad to see you. Welcome, welcome. I am going live tonight. I have some things I want to share with my Right Recipe for Travel family. Let me fix this right here. Yeah. Thank you for finding me. I know I came on technical difficulties. I don't understand what's going on with this thing. I'm going to fix it. But you always have backup, right? You have a plan and then you have backup. There you go. That's how I have to do it. All right. Welcome, welcome. How is everyone doing on this wonderful Monday, the day after St. Patrick's Day? I didn't even realize it was St. Patrick's Day yesterday. Yeah, and then I forget how I found out. Let me see. Forgive me here. I'm just looking to make sure everything's good and done.